Good morning, here we are again. We're going to be playing around with trims today. So what we want to do is we've got obviously the doors that we've got the solid oak doors. What we're going to do, we're going to break them down and use some of the sections for trims. So what we need to do is trim to go on the top of the fireplace here. And
do you want to just demonstrate how it's going to look?
Yeah, so basically it's going to go on here. Obviously not this piece, I've just grabbed hold of that. But they're going to sit on top like that, and obviously this side as well. And then we'll have a piece up on the edges as well. So you can see so there'll be a piece on the front there like that as well.
Yeah, I don't know if you remember, we're having the acoustic panels behind there, and we're going to kind of stain them as near as we can to the same colour.
And Dave's kindly gave us a bit of an old oak that had left over from what he had, and we're going to use that for the upstand around the base of the fireplace. And then obviously we're just going to have a look around and see what other bits, because the idea is we're going to get all these cut and take them back with us and stain them and lacquer them, so that when we come back next time we can fit them all.
Will you miss us when we're gone?
No. Needs a holiday.
And we're going to Market Harborough this morning with John, aren't we? The three of us.
Yeah.
What are we going for?
Well, there's a festival in Market Harborough.
Yeah.
Yeah, what is it?
No idea.
Don't know.
John's just.
Is it that scarecrow one?
No.
No.
That's the village.
You're not taking me just then to me.
Yeah. We're putting a piece of straw in your mouth, Dave, and we're going to you.
And you can go around saying, cup of tea and slice of cake.
Yeah. Aunt Sally.
Aunt Sally.
Yeah.
So there you go. That's it for now.
Right, let's crack on.
Cracking on.
Sorry?
Fire.
Luke.
The only reason is that we got that bit and that bit
Yeah.
will fit perfectly there. Plus it matches up colour-wise.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
But anyway,
I'm going to get the tracks on.
Yeah, why not? Have it all matching up. Yeah, good
I mean,
idea.
looking at mine, where I've done the oak round mine and just the paint and that, it brings the oak out.
Yes.
Absolute trim.
Yeah, absolutely.
It pulls it out nice. I think if you got all wood, it just doesn't look right, does it?
No. It's not me. It's not me. I like little bits of wood. I like trims, but I know some people like it's each your own, isn't it?
Yeah.
Have you had to cut yourself shaving there, Dave?
Yeah.
Little nick there.
It's bleeding.
Yeah.
I thought you'd altered that.
Yeah, another coat on the doors. Oh, I keep thinking I've finished them, and then I look at them and think, needs another coat. Actually, they're looking better this time, so I'll turn those over when we get back and do the other side. Just going to see how the lads are getting on. Is this for the bottom or the top? The top.
Do that off of width. I'll check the bubble first.
Wonder how many people have practiced Dave's method of doing straight lines.
Sure.
And well, I know Grandad did.
Right, let's check these first.
Yeah, that's not all right.
I'm just going to put that in there to see what we're like. So we'll be.
Yeah, that's all right, isn't it? That looks good.
Oh, that looks lovely. God, doesn't that finish it off? Wow.
Yeah.
Right, so
you've got the width to do on that.
You got there, Ali.
Do you want to do the same as that one?
No, we can't because it's different widths.
Oh yeah, of course it is.
We've got to just check
Yeah.
that, yeah?
Yeah.
So I think, what do you reckon about that to that? A little bit less?
Less, I would say.
Yeah, so if I mark that then, there,
Yeah.
and we cut the line out,
Yeah.
I reckon that and that'll be spot on, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Go on the
So
line.
go with that. So we'll do that one. Right. Yeah.
Wonder why that track saw is jumping.
I think it might be the bearing, the front bearing on the blade. That bearing just in behind there. But they're not difficult to get out.
Oh, really?
No.
So it might be worth getting another one, Lee, and changing it.
Yeah.
Quite violent when he does it, doesn't he?
Yeah.
I think maybe that bearing blocks or something, and that pulls the blade over, and that jams the blade, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Maybe right. Okay.
Yeah.
This keeps us fit up and down these steps here.
That's just what we're going to get next. Okay, that one's going to go there. It's going to go like that, obviously. Yeah. Now, where do we keep
the
that?
difference,
Where do we keep that?
Doesn't
full
it?
Depth? Full depth, or this one full depth or half depth? We'll cut this one the same depth as that one. I'm not sure. We'll have a look at that.
I don't think we need to, Dad, because it's going to be covered, isn't it?
This going to be covered.
Oh no, it's not, is it?
What I'm thinking is that when we do it, we put a piece of this behind there.
Yeah.
It's only going to be a little bit of it.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
And that one will be on there like that.
Yeah.
Like that. And then a piece of this will come from here into there, and then
Yeah.
that will get painted up into there.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Don't leave that full length.
Full depth, yeah?
I think so.
Yeah. Because I don't think there's nothing this side you can match it
No,
up with.
exactly.
And I think the colour there will do that. We'll cut that one back to there, obviously.
Yeah.
Right, so I need a 45 on there. Just let me mark them. So I need a 45 on there.
Where's the gap gone on that one now then?
What gap? Yeah, don't forget that one is going to come out a little bit.
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's been pushed up. That's right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because
Brilliant.
we've got the boarding going on here to cover all this up. Anyway, yeah. Right, hold him back up there. Right, we got the 45 to go. Nope, bugger. Can't mark this.
You've broken it, haven't you?
No.
Oh.
There. Well, I have to do it the other way then, eh? There, 45 there. Right.
You're a proper man.
Yeah.
Do all that sort of stuff.
Don't do arty-farty stuff.
I don't wear a pink shirt. I'll leave all that to, what do they call it, Lawrence? The Well and Bowen.
That's him.
With his frills. His frills and flounces.
It was the girl that they used to wind all the builders up and that shit on that DIY SOS. The designers used to go and go, no, I want this, and you could see all their heads just go.
Here we go again, yeah.
And that the shorter guy who was in charge after a while, he started having arguments with me, didn't he? Can't do that. He's going, yeah, that's quite funny.
I've never seen that. I'd like to see that actually.
You don't cut 45 like that. How do you do that thing? Like that.
Oh, that?
Do that one.
It should be set.
Yeah, it should. They are set.
No, it's not. It needs. Look, there's 45. That's over the 45. No, too far. Let me do it from here. You can see from it.
Yeah.
And you can come around and check it.
I'll tighten them. You
Right, you come around and check it.
Oh, you-
after you've tightened
got him
it.
done?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, you come around and check it. I don't want you then say no. You're not right. Look, there's the line.
Yeah. I see
there's
45 there.
Well, actually, it's over. Look, and loosen it a little
Ah,
bit.
there. You should have a screw in there
There should be something to
and a
stop
screw
it.
in there. Yeah.
Right.
Right. Well, it's set to 45, and it'll be set to 45 then. Yeah. Right. Okay. Well,
So I
it
just
should
need
be-
to
it
tell
should
you
be
all,
a
last
clean,
night we went out for dinner with the three of us went with Jason from another narrowboat fit out, and I don't know if any of you have watched his. I don't think it's his last vlog, it's the one before that. It is absolutely hilarious when he has a debate about with himself about the colour he's just painted onto his boat. And he got so much grief from these two last night. But honestly, you've got to watch it. It's the funniest thing you've seen. So that's another narrowboat fit out. I think he's just posted another one up, which I think the colour was wrong again. The paint saga continues, but the one before that, you've got to watch it. It's so funny, isn't it, Dave?
Brilliant night last night. Brilliant.
But wasn't it funny that vlog that Jason did with the paint?
We was taking the mickey out of him from the minute he got in the car, right till he put the last bit of food in his mouth, and then
he just joined in.
After the fourth doom bar, what they call it, he started making jokes of his own. He turned it round on us. He was making better jokes than we were.
When he asked me for a pint of Corona, and I brought it back and I said they've run out of Corona, so I got you a Green King.
Beige King, wasn't it?
Yeah, Beige King. Oh, look at that. What's he done that for?
The reason this is on 45 because we've got offcuts.
Yeah.
And it's not the full length of the fireplace. So what he's going to do is put 45 in, and then you won't see the joint.
Clever.
Yeah, that's why. Right, that's that there. That'll go back like that in there. And then that'll get other way around.
Yeah,
like that. Right.
And then that
we'll
one.
mark that bottom one.
You got that one there.
That one goes there. We want one of these. Yeah. Okay there. That one there comes out. Not as far as that. That there. Good there. Yeah. That goes.
So we're off to Market Harborough style. Lee's got the wind in his hair.
I'm not driving. It's amazing.
Dave's got the wind in his hair. John's got his shades on. Hugh Hefner over there. Oh look, Dave's got his shades on. I need to buy a pair of shades.
I need to buy you a pair of shades so I won't have any shades.
Here we are in Market Harborough. These couple of beauts. Hello.
I'll just pose for everyone.
Yeah, why not?
Have you had a nice day?
Very nice.
Good. Are you out for the whole time?
We've only just arrived.
Well, so have I.
Oh.
It's my party.
Oh wow.
It's the Ugly Man Ball party.
I'm on the list.
Of course, Rob. You got the dress code exactly right.
Brilliant.
I mean, I hope you bought your own snacks though, because apparently there's so many allergies, I'm not allowed. I mean, have you seen the man? You have to be careful with the men. The mantis is out. He's a big praying mantis. Are you okay, my friend? I told you that.
We're just treating ourselves to a breakfast roll here.
Still better than it.
Organic. It's organic farm. You'll never eat all that.
Well, the bit that I don't eat is going to end up down here.
Yeah, in your nice white t-shirt.
How about some remixes like this?
back from Market Harborough, and the boys are just sort of cracking on with the trims around the fireplace, ready for us to take home and stain and lacquer.
This will be the front, that front edge
Yeah.
of the half.
Okay. Oh, that sun's coming out again. It's so hot.
That looks a bit odd, doesn't it?
Should we go back in?
I think I will. Yeah. Take that one. So we're 22 and a half that way. Alright, let's go back to this side. That one I'm going to mark in there again. This one I'm going to bring back to 22 and a half here. It's 22.5.
Yeah, I know.
Let's do them two. And that one. This one here's going to go in here like this. What do we pencil?
You might have left
I
it
must
out
have
there.
left it out there.
Oh, it's going to look fab.
There it is. Yep, that's that one. Lovely, right, let's try. He's trimming off a bit there. And he goes in whatever you like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so more coats on these doors. I've been filling and sanding and filling in the crack in these two bits of wood, so that's going to take a little bit of time to get that right, but that's the end of another weekend, so we'll see you next time. Bye for now.